Let's talk about how to recover metallic assets without having to replace them. Yes, seriously, without replacing them. But first, let's clarify who we are talking to. We are mainly speaking about the oil and gas industry, offshore, construction, mining, energy, and so on. All of them used to work with metal parts that can suffer from damages affecting their operation. Broadly speaking, what are the damages in question? Well, we are speaking about dents, pitting, mechanical damages, leaks, corrosion, and many others. Damages that can be caused by several factors, and that the conventional solution is to replace the part or repair it using metal clamps or welded sleeves. At 3X Engineering, we offer an alternative solution full of benefits. Repairing using composite materials, Reinforcekit 4D. Let's explain. What is this solution? Basically, we wrap the damaged part with fiber, with Kevlar tape, the same as used for bulletproof vests, and coat this fiber with a polymer matrix, a resin. It works for internal and external damage. It is like plastering an arm, but everything starts from a meticulous engineering design applied to a wide variety of metallic assets and with a strong material, allowing to restore the pipe's original integrity of the affected assets, but light, resistant to corrosion, and cost-effective. So now, let's see what the advantages are of this product. First, the repair with composite materials R4D can be made online while our staff is installing the reinforcement. That is, no loss of profits. Moreover, this type of repair does not require hot work, which is safer and perfect for emergency repairs. Second, it is not necessary to have as much staff as if you make a replacement or work using welding. Our repair is usually performed only by 2 people, and the materials transportation is easier and lighter compared to the important logistical organization needed for conventional methods. Third, the result is a long-term performance. R4D is so resistant and firmly integrated to the defect that the lifetime can reach up to 20 years. Fourth, this product is not limited in terms of diameter and pressure, and it can be used with high temperatures. The range of application includes offshore and subsea environments. Fifth, by using our composite systems as an alternative for preventive and corrective repair, we contribute to the protection of the environment. These repairs avoid environmental impact caused by leakages of polluting substances leading to possible damages. And finally, sixth, we are represented by a network of distributors worldwide. This large distribution network allows us to respond very quickly around the world with trained and certified staff. All these reasons have a very interesting side effect and help to reduce costs because of the minimal impact they have on the operation and because of the benefits they offer. In short, repairing with composite materials R4D is a more efficient, economic, and ecological solution.